Sensei.
Oh, come inside, come inside.
What happened? Why'd you drink so much?
Old man can kick.
I don't know what that means. Let's get you out. You get here. I'm gonna head to bed, okay? We can talk in the morning.
Wait, listen. I want to be a father to you. I really do. I try to protect you. I try to be there for you. Just suck at it. I really suck at it. But I want to so bad.
You're doing just fine. I love you.
I love you too, Rob.